Welcome back, guys. Today I want to show you guys how to use MongoDB Atlas in the cloud. Again, for those who haven't done anything cloud, guys, that means we will be MongoDB Atlas will be full managed in the cloud. So for demonstration, guys, I'll be using AWS, but you can use Google, you can use Microsoft as well, but the cloud provider we'll be using for this demonstration, guys, again is AWS. Again, guys, without any wasting any time, guys, just go to your Google search and type MongoDB Atlas, and you should see that, and just click that, and you should come to this page right here, say MongoDB Cloud. Now you just click that link out there. So you should click that link out there, and it should take you to this page. So you can either click Try MongoDB Cloud Now, or maybe you can click Try Free. So I'll click the Try MongoDB Cloud Now, and it should take to this page. Now, yeah, depending, you just fill this form, your company, how you're using your MongoDB, just fill this form here, guys. But again, if you just wanna, for quick demonstration, I'll be signing up with Google, and I've already created an account. I don't wanna, I wanna make this video very short, so I don't wanna waste your time, guys, to show you how to fill the form. So just fill the form, and once you fill in, you just log in. So because I've already have an account, I will just click login over here, and it should take me to this page, and I can just log in with Google, and it should take me to this page right here. So I'm already in the MongoDB Cloud Atlas. So now once you're in, we will do some basic configuration, guys. We'll be doing some basic configuration. I'll be walking you through all this configuration, and I'll be showing you how to connect and all those good stuff. So you will start with build your first cluster. So you just click that, guys. So we'll be building our first cluster, and because like as I said, this is demonstration, so we'll be using the free tier. So just click it, create a cluster. So once you click that, it should take over here. Now you can see here default to Amazon, to AWS. There's a Google, there's a Microsoft. So you can select your cloud provider. But for the demonstration, I'll be showing you Amazon, and the region will be US East. You can see here the region in US East over here. And for the list, if you are in Asia, Europe, or Australia, you can just select accordingly. Again, there's a few configuration here you have to consider, guys. So like if you want to change the version here, just click that. You can change version. Now I'll be using 4.2, but there's 4.4 over there. And also, if you can see here, we'll be using this free forever. So this tier right here, sandbox, you get the quite amount of storage here for the free tier, just for demonstration, or just to check that out. So again, if you want to move to production, guys, I wouldn't recommend to use this. Just go through the payment plan here, and you should be good to go. So again, guys, there's also this cluster name, so you can change the name if you want to. Like, for instance, I can say any name here, maybe my second or my first, or maybe you can call whatever you want, maybe Java app cluster. So, and then you can just say create cluster once you're done with everything, and it should create your cluster to US East. You can see here it's actually provisioning, so you have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So while you are waiting, we could just go ahead and do some other stuff. But you can see here, say your cluster is being created, your cluster is being provisioned over there, so you should wait over there. Now go to this link where you say get started. You can see in the bottom here, just click that, and you should see this stages here. It say we already built our first cluster, so now we have to create a user. So a user for the user will for connecting to the cluster. So we just click the create your first user. So I'll be clicking there, and it should send you to database access. So just click that, and you should come to this page right here. Say database user, and there's custom laws here. If you want to add new custom law, you can add that. But I'm just showing you how to add user. So just click add a new database user, and it should take you to this page right here. You can see password, certificate, AWS, IAM. So if you want to use AWS laws, you can use the IAM service to create the laws, and that based on that, it should allow you to connect to the cluster. But for the sake of demonstration, guys, I'll be just showing you the we'll be doing the authentication using the user and password. So for instance, I'll say my Java user, and I can say my Java user password as well, or you can auto generate your password as well if you want to. And also, guys, so there's this database user privilege, so you have to pay attention here, guys. There's a lead and light law, so you can select the privilege you want to give to your users. So you can give the admin read and write, or maybe read only, or you can grant specific privilege, or maybe advanced privilege. So these are the options you have here. So for demonstration, guys, again, I'll be using read and write to any database. Again, if you want to restrict access to specific cluster data or data lakes, you can also click this option here. You can see search your resource. You can search over here, and then you can restrict it based on that. You say grant access to maybe Java app user. If you have multiple cluster, you can maybe select this user to be to apply this user to be allowed to connect only to specific cluster. So again, this is optional. Or you can also create the user temporary. Maybe you just click here, guys. You can maybe provide maybe 6 hours, or maybe 1 day, 1 week, and once that is, the user will be temporary. So for our case, we don't use the temporary user here. Just for demonstration, I'll be just creating just a user. So just click that. Once you click that, guys, you can you come to this step right here. Say whitelist your IP address. So whitelist your IP address means like you can control which IP address can access your cluster. So just click there, guys, and it should take to network access. Just click that link, guys. It should take over here. So you can add an IP address. You can add the list of IP address you want your cluster to allow. So for our case, guys, I won't be adding, but I'll be allowing anywhere in the world. Like any IP in the world, it can connect to this cluster for the sake of demonstration. So I won't restrict, but you can restrict maybe only your dev machine, or maybe certain machine or certain IP address can actually connect to your cluster. So for our demonstration, guys, I'll be using anyway. So click there. You can see here, see add current IP address. You can add, if you click that, it will add the IP address of your current machine. But for our demonstration, I will allow access from anywhere. And then once you do that, you can add the comments, and then you can just confirm here. Just click confirm, and it should allow any IP around the world to be access this cluster. And then you can load your sample data. Yeah, so you see this, you say click and then load the data. So you can click over here. You can see load sample data set, terminate, edit configuration. So you can load your sample data, and you can use the sample data, or maybe you can load your actual, your real data if you have it. So once you load that, you can actually connect to your cluster. So now we have gone through all the process. We have already built your first cluster. We have create your first database user, and the last stage is connect to your cluster. So you can connect to your cluster, guys. You can connect to your cluster through your application, maybe or through a shell, or through a campus. A campus is just a tool. Again, it's the same as a shell. It's just a client. So again, you just click connect here, guys, and you should see this option right here. So you connect with Mongo shell, connect to the application, or connect using Mongo database campus. For demonstration, guys, I'll show you how to connect within your application. So for instance, you have Node.js application. You can just copy this URL link, and you can use that to connect. Just remember, this is your user and this is your password. So the password, we set up this user here, we set up the password. So just put your password over here. So if you have a Java application, you can also get a connection string with the Java application. So like if I select the version here, it should give me this one. Again, just change your password here, or the way you manage your password. Just add that and also change the database name, and you should be good to connect. So I see it's already say paste password with the password for this user, the paste database with the name of the database, again the database which we have already we'll be creating. So you just copy this and put it in your application, and once you put it in application, you should be good to to connect. So once you've done that, you close that, and now you should have all the basic setup. You have already connected. These are just metrics, guys, how your cluster is actually doing. And also, again, if you come back to the cluster, this is a collection. You can add your collection, add sample data set. Like I said, you can add over here your sample database, and you can once everything is set up, you can start querying. So that's all, guys. That's all for the Atlas, guys. Again, leave the comment below, guys, if you have any question, if you need me to add more more explanation, guys, just let me know, guys, and I'll show you all the details, guys. Just help me, and I help you. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.